Hey guys, what's going on? Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I'm just checking in and asking, have you seen my latest video, the one that about the carnival, Notting Hill Carnival in London? If not, you should go and watch it. It was amazing. The carnival was over 2 days because Monday was bank holiday. We call it bank holidays, but it's public holiday. And so most people could attend the Monday, but I went the Sunday. The Sunday was like for family where people brought their kids, but I mean, it was taken over by adults as well. It wasn't that packed as Monday, but I didn't go Monday, so I just watched other vlogs and people's status and videos and stuff like that. But Monday was packed. Was packed to the brim. Hi Marlene, how you doing? Hope you are good. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, but yeah, I was saying about the carnival. If you haven't watched my carnival video, Marlene, you can go to my page and check it out. But trust me, carnival was a treat. There were so many people. I know it was crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But it was good. I didn't go on the Monday, as I was saying, because of work. But Monday was packed. I could see on people's video. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. But it is what it is. And I must say, I have a video too where the other day I was trying to do my own lashes and I think I brought the wrong glue. It was like the professional glue. And trust me, a bit went into my eye. And my eye was swollen. But as you can see now, I'm good to go. But guess what? I will never ever do that again. I've learned my lesson and I've learned it the hard way. Okay, did you go to the carnival or did you just watch the videos? Marlene? Carnival is always a treat. It is. I'm here watching catfish. Do you like catfish or what? Because I don't understand these people. I mean, catfish is it's an old show, but it is crazy. Because I don't understand how people is getting catfish now by scamming with money. But now with money, but back then it's like people go and they meet people on the internet and jeez. And when they find out it's not that person, it's crazy. Anyway, I was just checking in on the live and thanks for the people that checked in. And if you haven't checked in, go watch it. And please, if not, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. and support the girl. So, I'll see you. I'm out.